kick off about our third year, and we start with something that's really been in the news with one of the department stores at Target. Ed has the question, and here it is. He said he was part of the recent challenge at Target. His account was completely wiped out. He was told he was not going to be responsible for anything. But Vicki wants to know about long-term effects. Will this really haunt him for years? Would Target still be responsible if something may happen in the next 2 or 3 years to Ed?
Ed, the answer to your question is very likely Target will be held responsible, and it could go on for years for you. And you really need to get to a good business litigation trial lawyer to help you with it. If your account was wiped out and you aren't going to be held responsible for the debt, somebody is assuming that responsibility for you already. As to your future exposure, you could consider that in the event a claim is made against Target through your counsel, or you may file your claim within the 2 years or six years, depending on the type of contract that you have with your provider, and preserve this protection in the future. In other words, leave the claim open rather than settling it.
Well, and tonight we're going to, talk a bit about department stores, supermarkets, or what have you. Not at all to pick on Target, but that's when the slip and falls typically happen. Some of these larger type retailers, right?
That businesses try to assert
Right.
when someone's injured.
Sure. Well, the first thing that I think that comes up for businesses is that they say that they didn't have notice, and I think it's hard for people to understand is that you think that if you fall in a store that they are automatically responsible, and that's just not the case. The company has to have notice that there was a hazard, and notice can be constructive or actual. Actual notice is that they actually knew something was wrong, and constructive.